Hey y'all, there is a drink at the restaurant Portugal in New Orleans called the Goombay Punch. And Portugal is a burger joint with sort of a nautical theme, sort of that pre-tiki nautical theme, which I honestly like a little bit better, a little bit more Caribbean, less Polynesian than tiki. Don't get me wrong, I love tiki, but this is a slightly different place, and they have a drink called the Goombay Punch. There is a Bahamian soda called a Goombay Punch. There's another cocktail you'll see elsewhere called a Goombay Smash. And the Goombay Punch at Portugal and the Goombay Smash are both really similar. Pineapple juice and coconut rum being the hallmarks of any version of this you tend to see. Usually some other rum. And about a year ago, got this Planteray cut and dry, and it is basically the only coconut rum I've ever enjoyed. It's done in a lot different a style than your typical sunscreen flavored rum. And I was drinking this, just sipping some on the rocks, and I thought, man, there's got to be a cocktail that this would just rock the world of. And I dwelled on it, and I realized, oh, that's what it is. It's the Goombay Smash, Punch, whichever you'd like, whatever. The Goombay cocktail. And so I've been tweaking my recipe, and I'm gonna go ahead and give that to y'all here. So I'm gonna begin with a half of an ounce of apricot brandy, apricot liqueur. There's a couple different options you could have. This is the one that happened to be on my bar. So this is what I'm gonna use. And please forgive my lack of precise measurements because I can't find my proper jigger. So after that, I'm going to go with some aged rum. I have this Havana Club that's probably just about the amount right. Appleton is great in this. So we're going to do a whole ounce of this. So yeah, if you have Appleton handy, that's my suggestion. I don't see any on my bar right now, so that's probably why I haven't been using it recently. I might have used all my Appleton trying to perfect this recipe. The next thing that we're going to do is 1 ounce of the Planteray cut and dry. I suggest you go to their webpage and read the story about how they make this. They're using whole coconuts in this, and it does not smell like a coconut rum. It smells more like a coconut dish. It's got toasty notes to it. It's some fantastic stuff. So after the cut and dry, and you're gonna have to forgive, I spill while I make cocktails. We're gonna do some orange liqueur. I've got Grand Marnier. You can use the one of your choice. This between a half an ounce and 3/4 of an ounce. I don't add orange juice to this. Some recipes do. I find orange juice makes this cocktail taste too orange juicy, to be matter of fact. But yeah, if you want to use a little orange juice, I won't stop you, but I just use the orange liqueur. Then I do a half of an ounce of falernum, maybe a little less, just enough to give that sort of tropical cocktail clove flavor combined with a little extra sweetness. Doesn't need too much, because the next ingredient is 3 ounces of pineapple juice. Fresh squeezed, obviously best, but I know we all have some of those cans in the bottom of our bar, and those are easy to use in a pinch, so I won't chastise you. You could put this in a cocktail shaker, or you can just put it in your glass and stir. And let's go ahead and taste this and describe the notes. It's It's way more rich and more Oh, I did forget something. Please forgive me. Elemakule tiki bitters. Couple dashes of that, and I have some different tiki bitters right here that I'll go ahead and use. Just for a little variety. So yeah, you want some well-seasoned tiki bitters. Failing anything else, Peychauds and Angostura always work. But all right, let's give this another sample. Yeah, there's that warmth the bitters adds. It's a warm drink also, considering how much of it's liquor. Good pineapple taste, good coconut taste. But at the same time, not being anything like a pina colada. Really, really delicious drink. I suggest that you all go make this while it is still warm outside. I also will not chastise you if you put this in a big, like plastic or styrofoam cup, just chock full of ice. Put your straw in it. You could also, you go in a nice cocktail glass with a pineapple wedge or something. I pulverized all my pineapple juicing it, so I didn't really have anything to garnish with. But and I always plant my pineapple crowns. So yeah, go ahead and make this. Enjoy this. This is a delicious summer cocktail. We'll call it the Goombay cocktail because this is a little bit more elevated than a punch or a smash. And hope you enjoyed this. Go ahead, hit that little like button down there. Hit the little bell for notifications. You want to get notified when videos like this come out. So hitting those things, subscribing, hitting like, cause the internet to word of life, and you get more stuff like this that you enjoy. So thanks for watching. Y'all have a good one. Bye.